Okay, let me show off what I've got working so far. You can now look in your inventory. You can now get items. It will match either a full name or it'll match an alias, which are these words right here. It'll match the first one that it arrives at. Some of them are static, so you can't pick them up. I'm going to switch over to all features are going to be objects in the game. I'm not going to have separate classes. Uh, yep, you can check your inventory. You can now attack things. And it actually has a dice roller. I'm going to try to implement my free 2d6 system into this, see how it works. Um, so let's see what else. The command queue thing. So let me show this. So the queue kind of works like this. It's a gigantic dictionary where each key is a player's ID. And that points to a an array of commands. And each command will have a function name and it'll have the amount of ticks that it has to tick down to. And it has one more thing and I forgot what it was. Oh, the parameters of the command. So and it's a queue, so it'll only look at the first element and tick that one down. The rest will be up here. So when you actually type in a command, if it is queuable, it will actually check first to make sure if you actually can perform the command. If you try to pick up an item, it will first check to see if that item actually exists. If it does, it will then queue the command that you just typed in. If not, it will not. So that way, instead of just automatically queuing the command, you waiting a second and then only for it to tell you that you can't do that, it will actually check first. So every command like get, attack, put, drop will have to do that. And I'm thinking I'm going to actually make uh, get queuable commands that aren't move just happen automatically if you're not in combat. So you could just like pick up a bunch of items if you're not in combat. But if you are in combat, the attack. So like this will be an attack. You can like queue up a get command after an attack, and then once you attack, it will actually check to see if the thing that you're attacking is dead or not, and if it's not, it will queue another attack after it. So this one will also become a queued attack. So you like perform an attack, you perform your get, so you like stop attacking and then pick up the thing, and then you continue attacking after this time's out. So that's the way I'm kind of thinking about how the command queue kind of works. Let me see. Is there anything else on my... Yes, IDs. So instead of... Let's see if I can find... So all of the code right now works on direct references. Like this dot current name points to the exact entity. I want to convert all of this over to using IDs, so they'll all be ID lookups. So your inventory will be an array of ID numbers, and this will be an ID number. And everything will require an ID number to look up what you're pointing at or what you're referencing. And the reason why is so it will make serialization easier, meaning a list of numbers is easier to just store as like JSON or a text file so you can save and load games super, super easy. So that's what the plan is for the next. That's what I'm going to be attacking next. So yeah, that's what I got so far.